Hey you guys, this is your friend Charlotte. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, give me a comment down below, and give me thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. Today you guys, I come back for you for soap for your face. As you know, I use the gold soap for my face. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'll show you on my video before. I hope you get this soap and use. It's amazing. It takes all my dark spots and my blemishes and everything on my face out, and it's getting much improvement. But you know that when you using something and you have to get a backup, because just in case you can't find it anymore, as you know, your girl is obsessed, because anytime anything I have, I want backup. Okay, like I buy this gold soap. When I order them, I do not order like 1 or 2. Sometimes I order like 5 or 10. So when it's finished, when I pick it up and finish all the time, I know I have backup. So I go back and looking for this soap to buy. I do not have it. They said it's out of stock. So I was so upset, but luckily I still have like 3 left that I can use till it come. And I keep checking and checking and checking. I buy this gold soap in eBay, and I keep checking and checking it. Now I can't find it. So I need a backup. So I see this soap that I ask question from the person that I know who using this soap, because I don't want to use nothing in my face, because your face is everything, girl. Your face is everything. So whoever use this soap, I can see she don't have nothing in her face, and her face doesn't look bleach. So I asked what kind of face she use, soap she use for her face, and she told me this soap. But I was a little bit skeptical. I was a little bit like, I don't believe it, because sometimes some people, when you ask them something, they will tell you what you want to hear. They don't tell you the truth. So I say, how I'm gonna get this soap? And it's so easy to get this soap. Your local beauty supply have it, Amazon have it, eBay have it, and Walmart have it. So I order mine from eBay. So you know I use this gold soap. As you know that it say gold soap on it. You know I use this soap, and it's so magical. What this soap do for me, I mean, it's amazing. So I use this soap, and now it's like when 3 of them finish, I don't know where I'm gonna find. So when I asked this person that whatever she used for it, she told me, I get this soap and I try it and see if it's good for me before I show it to you. Because it's your face we're talking about. It's not your body, girl. Even your body, you don't want to mess with your body, but your face is #1 thing that, girl, you don't want to mess with your face at all. Okay? So the face I'm talking about is Nono Extra Whitening. Okay? So when I see the name, I say, what? Because you know me, I'm African. You have name Nana. So I say, it's Nono. It's not Nana. Okay, it's like N-A-N-O. Nono Extra Whitening. Okay, when I see extra white, I was so scared. I say, extra whitening. I mean, I don't know, because I don't want nothing to happen to my face. So I bought this, and you know me, I always have to buy something too. I buy 2 to try them. So this is the one that I opened before already. As you can see, it's this one. So I start to use this one. And girl, I think I hit a jackpot, okay? Because you know me, I'm not gonna tell you something that I never use for my own body before I tell you. I wanna use something for my own body and experience it. So when I tell you, I will just have from my heart to tell you this product is good. This Nono soap, I'm telling you, this one, I take the lemon. I know the lemon is a little bit strong. You know, anything with lemon is a little bit strong, because the reason why I pick up this, they have cucumber, they have aloe vera, and I think they have orange. Pure orange that you eat, they have orange. So I think they have cucumber, orange, and they have aloe vera, and they have this lemon. I picked this lemon because the reason why I picked this lemon, because of the pimples, the blemishes was in my face before. I still have a little bit dark spot, just a little bit dark spot, not like before. So I want everything to go, but lemon is good for those stuff. That's the reason why I pick up this one. But what I'm gonna tell you about this soap is any kind of soap that you use to wash, not leave. Let me put this down. You use to wash your face. This one I use to wash. When I say wash my face and wash it off. Period. It doesn't stay 1 minute, not even 20 seconds. I just roll water. That's it. I wash it and I rinse it. I do not red flag. I do not leave this soap in my face. I do not do that. Okay? And I'm not going to advise you to use this soap or any kind of soap that you're using in your face that leave it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Girl, I'm not doing that because it's going to mess up your face. Maybe I say, oh Charlotte, I always use the soap to leave my face before I go to shower. No. Later on, you're going to have problem in your face. You can use it to wash your face, of course. Okay? Because I use so many products that I show you before in my videos that I bought them expensive. The liquid, those stuff, girl, it's not good for me. It messes up my face totally with the marks I'm wearing. So this no extra whitening is good. So to tell you the truth, either I don't get this anymore, I don't care for now. Because now I can see this one, it will work for me perfectly. I start to use it. I open this and this one is big. The thing is, this one is bigger than that one. It's like 2 of that for 1. So when you open it's like this, it comes cover and it's hard. Okay, this is hard. As you can see, it's very hard. And it smells really good. It's not some kind of soap that you open it smells like crap. I mean, this one smells really good. It smells lemon. This is my 2nd week I'm in. And some soap when you use to wash your face, you can see your face is like, your face is dragging. It makes your face so dry. Oh, no. This one don't make your face like that. And this one is easy to find it than this one. You can check your local beauty supply first, that you can find it, or you can find them in eBay. They have it so many places. If you don't want the cucumber one, you can try the what do you call it? The aloe vera, or the orange one, or the cucumber one. You can try all of them because it's four of them. 4 of them, you can choose one of them. But me, the reason why I choose the lemon, because I want all my black spots and everything to just disappear. Okay, so today you guys, this is the product I have for you today. I mean, try it and try to check if you can get the gold one or this one. But I will urge you to get this one because you know me, this is the one I've been using for months. But this one, check this one out. If you can find this one, get it. If you can't get this one, get it. But I will urge you to get this one. There are so many different types because this one is gold one. Maybe the gold part is not good for your face. This one you have a choice because they have lemon, they have orange, they have cucumber, and they have what is the other one? Aloe vera. Okay, so try them and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love always, Charlotte. Bye.